If you've tried setting up pre-order bundles on Shopify before, you've probably already discovered that Shopify bundles and pre-orders currently don't work well together. Sharing some quick context before I talk about the potential workarounds. So Shopify's pre-orders uses selling plans. It's a core Shopify functionality which allows merchants to offer advanced purchase options like pre-orders, subscriptions, try before you buy, and product rentals. Within these purchase options, you can access advanced features such as partial deposits, auto capture and defer payments, and displaying additional pre-order info beyond your product page throughout the whole customer journey. But you can only access selling plans through a third-party app like ours. Now, since bundles and selling plans currently don't work together, this means any pre-order apps are unable to support bundle pre-sales. So this is a Shopify limitation, not the apps. And at the time of recording this video, we've already passed on merchants' feedback to Shopify HQ to address this. But for now, there's simply just no native way to set up pre-orders for bundles yet. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'll list out a few potential workarounds for you to try out. So number one, create a new SKU for the bundle. The first potential workaround is to create a single product that represents the entire bundle. This way you're able to pre-sell the bundle as a pre-order using Shopify selling plans. Steps for this workaround. So you create a new product. In Shopify admin, you go to products, you add a product, name it something along the lines of pre-order bundle, bundle name, and then you assign a unique SKU to it. Then you go set the inventory, set the quantity to 0, and enable continue selling when out of stock to allow pre-orders. This is actually a back order, but I'll share more info on this later in this video. Add product info. So you set the total price for the bundle, optionally including a discount. Add the product images, and remember to mention this is a pre-sale / pre-order bundle. Then you go publish the product, you save and make the product available on all sales channels. Inventory for the bundle. So you've got to track the stock for the individual items included in the bundle. When the bundle is sold, and then you have to manually adjust the inventory for these individual products. Optionally, you could use a bundling app to automate all these inventory updates, but that's entirely up to you. Number 2, sell individual items as pre-orders, and you can offer discounts for buying them together. If you prefer not to group the items into a single SKU, you could take the approach of selling each item individually as a pre-order, but display them as a collection on your website. And then you can offer customers discounts only if they purchase all the items in your bundle together. So first, set up your individual items for pre-orders with your preferred method. You can go with DIY, simply just mention it's a pre-order in your product description, but you might risk not setting clear customer expectations. You can use a theme that has a built-in pre-order functionality with it, hire a developer for a custom code solution, or use an app like ours, Early Bird, that uses Shopify selling plans to offer you advanced functionalities, and is simply an out-of-the-box solution. Then you go create a collection for the bundle. You go to collections, create the collection, and obviously you name it. You probably want to show the collection page somewhere on your website as well. Afterwards, you'll have to add the individual products to this collection. So you go to products in your Shopify admin, select the products you want to add to the collection, and in the collection section, select the pre-order collection that you've created. And then the last part, you offer a discount code. So you go to discounts and you create a conditional discount and make it only triggers if a customer adds all the required items in that collection to their cart. Number 3, use back orders instead of pre-orders. So if advanced pre-order functionalities like partial payments, automated pre-order management, sales reporting, all these aren't essential for your Shopify store, you can consider using Shopify's back order feature instead. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, you can simply use the continue selling when out of stock functionality, which lets you keep selling when your inventory is at or below 0. While they're meant to be for capturing orders when you're out of stock, back orders don't rely on Shopify selling plans, making them compatible with your bundle pre-sales. So steps for this workaround: you create a new product for the bundle and set the inventory to 0. You enable continue selling when out of stock in the product settings, and you clearly state in your product description that it's a back order and include the estimated shipping date. With these workaround, you will have to manually enable continue selling when out of stock for each product to capture back orders. Some app like ours, Early Bird, we can help you enable it across your entire catalog, or for specific products with one click, with auto toggle on and off as well for that back order status. Our app has a 100% free plan, no commission fees, no app branding, so you can feel free to try out at your own pace. If you manage to get some sales, that's great, and you can upgrade only when you're ready. So to wrap up this video, you can now tell selling bundles as pre-orders on Shopify comes with a lot of limitations. So whichever potential workaround you're gonna test and try, it all depends on how you like to manage your pre-orders and how you like to run your store's operations. The most important thing I will say though is remember to set clear customer expectations for your pre-orders to avoid complaints and pre-order cancellations. We have a blog article on this, which I'll link it in the description section. If you've got questions, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, say hello, or email us at hello@shopsite.com.au to see if we can help.